Priscilla Mensah, a woman in tech, and I help people ignite their ingenuity through the science and art of soap making. Using my creative flow methodology, I've taught thousands of people to make soap through my live workshops and online on YouTube. I've traveled the world and visited over 14 countries. Through these cultural exchanges, I've learned that the journey we take to reach our goals can take many unique paths. My mission is to motivate people, especially in tech, to trust their intuition, build their confidence, and find their flow, whether they're pursuing career or life goals. Soap making at its core is about taking raw materials and transforming them into something new, just like what people do in the world of technology every day. When event organizers hire me, they can expect their audience to join an inclusive conversation filled with positivity and inspiration to reach their highest aspirations. Design, develop, deliver.